If you're like many of us and you have dreams that somehow never seem to get done or you never reach your goals, then you've come to the right place. The My Life Matters Planner for Women was developed to focus on what's important to you and, more importantly, to get it done. Now this year we're offering a download. That means that you purchase a file, save it on your own computer, then you print it and put it in your own binder. And we ask, as a sidebar here, to please respect the copyright. When you buy My Life Matters, it's just as if you went and bought a book off the shelf or an ebook or a piece of software. You have a license and a copyright to your own personal copy. So please don't share the file. Happily show it around to your friends and then they can come and purchase their own copy. Now, what's in My Life Matters? My Life Matters helps you focus on achieving what is important to you. And we do that kind of a drill down approach. We start with the month and then focus on week and then day-to-day activities. Each month begins with the calendar overview where you can make appointments, write notes, whatever you like. Always there's a blank sheet to the left, also for notes, etc. The next spread are your monthly goals. You write down your goals for the month in whichever areas of life are important to you, whether that be organization, your mental and emotional health, well-being, physical health, spiritual well-being, relationships, business, volunteer work, or just your life dreams and passions. There's also at the bottom an area to reflect on how you did last month. We have another full page for you to journal or make notes or however you would wish to use it. The next spread is your Monday through Friday. So there's weekly notes on what you'd like to achieve for the week. And then each day there is a section you can use for appointments or you can use to check off as you complete tasks that are important to reaching your goals throughout the week. The bottom is My Health and Well-Being. Here you have an area for you, a food journal if you'd like, a place to check out for your workout, and then also boxes if you take prescriptions and would like to keep track of what you've taken throughout the day. The final spread each week is on the left is your weekend, set up the same way as your Monday through Friday, and there's also current month, previous month, and next month for your reference. The My Days page is very free form. You can use it however works best for your personality and your situation to reach your dreams and goals. For the three of us, for example, I use this for my daily to-do list so I can see how I'm progressing throughout the week. Cecilia, who is much more spiritual, uses the Monday through Saturday or Monday through Sunday for journaling her thoughts and for affirmations each day. Laura, our third partner, uses this as a place to take notes when she's on the phone. Then she knows exactly where her notes for a particular conversation are located. And we go through that each week and each month. This edition is January through July of 2012. And then at the end we have the remaining of the year's calendar and then a space for you to put notes pertaining to the rest of the year. And there you have it. That's how My Life Matters helps you focus and achieve what's important to you.